In March 2025, INSTAR and the Telecommunications Technology Association of the Republic of Korea launched their first joint workshop, a bold step toward ICT standardization alignment. Sharing standardization priorities across INSTAR's 6 tech domains, 5G and 6G, AI, cybersecurity and digital identity, data technologies, IoT, and quantum technologies. This wasn't just talk. Concrete priorities were mapped. Paths toward joint standardization roadmaps were set. A shared vision took shape, one of trust, innovation, and interoperability across borders. The future of tech is global, and it starts with partnerships like this.